Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to sell beats on Gumroad. Alright, so first up, go ahead over to the left panel, click on Products. Once done, click on New Products, and then go ahead and select Digital Product. Okay? Now go ahead and name your specific beat. So for example, a sample beat. Alright, and by the way, you can upload a single beat. Just make sure that it is a high quality WAV file, which got 24-bit or 44.1 kilohertz. So if you want to upload stems or tracks, well, go ahead and export individual audio tracks into a single organized zip file so artists can mix the song. So again, let's go ahead and go back, scroll down, add in the price, for example, $5. Scroll all the way up, click on Next, Customize. Once done, give it a description, scroll down, add in the cover image and the preview. So for the cover art, you could just go ahead and use a high quality square graphic that reflects the mood, BPM, and genre of the beat. Now scroll down. This one or these settings are up to you. All right. You can go ahead and set it up however you want. And then once that's set up, just go ahead over to content. And here's where you would need to upload the content. So click on upload files. And maybe it's from your computer drive. Well, click on computer files. If it's from Dropbox, well, select Dropbox. So I'm going to go ahead and select computer files. For example, this one is the beat. Well, you could go ahead and use the zip file as well if you want to. Okay. So click on open. Wait for the upload process to finish. Then once that's uploaded, click on save changes. And then once done, click on publish and continue. But before you can do that, make sure that you have an active payouts account. So if you plan to upload a zip file, make sure that you include a license agreement. And if you want some license key, you can go ahead over to insert, click on license key. So once that's done, click on save changes. Again, publish and continue. But before you can hit on publish and continue, make sure that you have an active payouts account. And after that, you'll be able to see it under products. Well, you can just go ahead and right click and open link in a new tab. Copy this link right here, paste it wherever you want, and then once that's done, you're good to go. That is how you sell beats on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.